So you want to invest in real estate like the elite, but you don't have the time, nor do you want to buy, rehab, renovate, or flip houses like everyone else. I get it. Your time is valuable and you don't want to deal with all of it. You don't want to manage houses and deal with repairs, tenants, paint, toilets, buyers, and sellers, which is extremely time consuming. So the question becomes, would you rather loan your money to experienced real estate investors and have them begging to pay you higher yields and fees, pay you double-digit returns like 20%, 30%, or even 40% or more, just like the big banks and the elite investors? Have these 5, 6, and even 7-figure returns paid out to you on a monthly basis while you sleep? Or would you rather be a landlord or house flipper and deal with tenants and repairs? Now, some would say all three. Most would say loan money to experienced real estate professionals, just like the banks do. Why? Because loaning your money out is passive. You can do it from your home and collect payments while you sleep. You have the control to choose your rate of return and terms for the use of your short-term capital. It's more secure because your money is secured by real estate as the collateral. You have a real asset for your protection, unlike stocks, crypto, and other investments. The income is more predictable than most investments because in private lending, the risks are minimized. Now, if you said neither, that means you are not aware that when you put your money in a bank, you are loaning your money without knowing it. Yeah, that's right. And the banks are earning billions by leveraging your money that you deposit and loaning it out to others for real estate, cars, credit cards, etc. Yeah, banks don't have money. They use yours. But that's a lesson for another time. I guess you are saying to yourself, why would anyone pay you double-digit returns for the use of your money? Well, just think about it. Most people are doing it anyway. And if you pull out your credit card statement, you're probably paying 15 to 29% for the use of the bank's short-term capital. There are millions of real estate investors who would pay you the same for the use of your short-term capital to fund their real estate deals that they will make 5- and 6-figure profits on. And they are willing to share some of those profits. So why not cut out the middleman like the banks and loan it out yourself and make the money for you and your family instead of for the big banks? I'm Danny Mckinney, and I have been in the real estate lending business for over 30 years. And I am going to show you why private lending should be your next financial move. Click the link below to download my Private Lending Profits Handbook. It will show you step-by-step how private lending works, plus I will give you free access to my Private Lending Profits community so you can learn, network, and make money with other investors in our community. When you click the link, you'll learn these strategies: how to create passive income by lending to real estate investors, exclusive lending opportunities, get access to vetted deals and borrowers, how to secure your money with real estate so you're always protected, how to earn double-digit returns without dealing with tenants or toilets, the step-by-step blueprint to becoming a successful private lender, how to take control of your money, how to find and loan other people's money, even if you don't have any of your own to loan out, networking and deal flow, how to use the free deal evaluator software to underwrite your deals, and much, much more. You'll get all of this inside the community. Click the link and download the handbook, plus join the community for free. As an investor, the goal is to have your money work for you while you sleep and not for someone else. Private lending is the best passive way to make 5, 6, and even 7-figure returns paid to you on a monthly basis, and with all the protections like the big banks. Learn and add this strategy to your portfolio like the elite investors, and put that money that is just sitting there and not earning double digits to work for you. Go ahead and get access now, and I'll see you inside.